Hi guys, this is Loverboy Ramil, and a very sad news to the king of Philippine comedy, Dolphy, or his real name is Rodolfo Vera Quezon, and he passed away at the age of 83. He's a legendary comedian in the Philippines. He had several movies and TV shows, including John and Marcia, Home Along Dariles, and also Pidol's Wonderland. So, to the king of comedy, Dolphy, I extend your deepest condolences, and for Dolphy's family, I am so sorry for your loss. So, my condolences to Dolphy's family, especially Eric Quezon, Epi Quezon, and the whole Quezon family. So, that's it. That's my update. Or my blog, of course. This is Loverboy Ramil saying goodbye, God bless you, and as always, let love be your guiding light. Goodbye, everybody.